Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up sync EV charge data in MyFord Mobile, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up sync EV charge data in MyFord Mobile, start by downloading the MyFord Mobile app from the App Store on your smartphone. Install the app and open it once the installation is complete. Create a new account if you do not already have one, or log in with your existing credentials. Once logged in, go to the main menu and select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, find and select EV Charging Settings. Here, you will see the option to enable syncing of charge data. Activate this option by toggling the switch to the on position. Next, you will need to connect your Ford vehicle to the app. To do this, choose the option to add vehicle from the main dashboard. Enter the vehicle identification number, VIN, when prompted. After entering the VIN, tap Next to continue with the connection process. Follow any additional prompts to verify your vehicle and ensure it is linked to your account. Once your vehicle is successfully added, reassess the EV charging settings. Here, confirm that the charging data sync option remains enabled. You may also want to customize your notifications for charging updates and status alerts. After adjusting your settings, exit the Settings menu to return to the main dashboard. The app will now begin to sync your EV charge data automatically. You can monitor this data on the dashboard, which will show real-time charging status and history. For further assistance, consult the Help section within the app. This completes your setup process for syncing EV charge data in MyFord Mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.